Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Hi, everyone. My work week is finally over. I am very happy right now. I always feel tired on Friday evening. Tonight, I want to relax at home. I am making a cup of tea. The tea smells so nice. I will watch a little television. Then I will go to sleep early. Tomorrow is Saturday. Good morning, everyone. I am waking up now. The sun is shining through my window. I feel very relaxed today. There is no alarm clock on Saturday. I can wake up slowly. I stretch my arms and my legs. This feels wonderful. I am ready to start my day. Now I am in the kitchen. I want to make a nice breakfast. First, I will cook some eggs. Next, I will make some toast. I also want a glass of orange juice. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I like to eat slowly on Saturday. The kitchen smells so good. Now, breakfast is ready. Let's eat. After breakfast, I go for a walk. The park near my house is beautiful. I can hear birds singing. The air feels fresh and clean. I like walking slowly in the morning. Sometimes I see other people walking too. We smile and say hello. Walking makes me feel happy. This is a nice way to start the weekend. Now I need to buy some food. I am walking to the grocery store. I have a small list in my hand. First, I need some fresh vegetables. I also want some fruit for the week. I always check the prices carefully. I put everything in my shopping cart. Shopping on Saturday is very relaxing. Now I have everything I need. It is time to go home. It is almost lunchtime now. I want to cook something simple. I am cutting some vegetables. I am also boiling some rice. Cooking helps me relax. I like to cook slowly and carefully. The food smells delicious already. In a few minutes, lunch will be ready. I am very hungry now. Let's sit down and eat. After lunch, I like to rest a little. I am sitting in my favorite chair. I have a good book with me. Reading is one of my favorite hobbies. This story is very interesting. I read slowly and quietly. The room is calm and peaceful. I feel very relaxed right now. I could read for a long time. In the afternoon, I meet my friend. We are sitting in a small coffee shop. I am ordering my favorite coffee. It is nice to talk with a friend. We talk about our week. We also laugh together a lot. This coffee tastes really good. I enjoy this time very much. Meeting friends makes the weekend special. After coffee, I go back home. I feel a little sleepy now. I lie down on my soft couch. I close my eyes for a while. A short nap feels wonderful. The room is quiet and dark. I feel my body relaxing completely. This is a perfect Saturday afternoon. I sleep for about 20 minutes. Now it is evening time. I am cooking dinner for myself. Tonight, I want to make pasta. I am boiling water on the stove. I am also making a simple sauce. Cooking dinner is calm and relaxing. The kitchen smells amazing right now. My dinner is almost ready. I am excited to eat. After dinner, I want to relax. I am sitting on my couch again. I have a bowl of popcorn. I am watching a nice movie. This movie is very funny. I laugh a few times. The blanket keeps me warm. This is a perfect way to end Saturday. Soon I will go to bed. Good morning. It is Sunday now. Today I want to clean my home. First, I clean the living room. Then, I clean my bedroom too. I like a clean and tidy home. Cleaning takes about 1 hour. I also open the windows for fresh air. Now, my apartment looks very nice. I feel proud of my clean home. Now, I need to do my laundry. I am putting clothes into the washing machine. This is not my favorite chore, but it is necessary every week. While the machine works, I do other things. Later, I will fold my clean clothes. I like clean clothes for the new week. This task is almost finished. Laundry day is a little boring, but important. It is Sunday evening now. I like to plan for the new week. I am writing in my notebook. I check my schedule for Monday. Planning ahead makes me feel calm. I also prepare my clothes for tomorrow. This helps my morning feel easy. I feel ready for the new week. My weekend was calm and relaxing. Now it is time to sleep. I am turning off the lights. I am getting into my warm bed. This weekend was very nice. I walked, I cooked, and I rested. I also saw my friend for coffee. Now I feel happy and calm. Good night, everyone. See you next time. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.